James Opondo. Riwruoge makelo ne ratich oganda ojiwo aput manyocha ochuogi kod jatend piny William Ruto mar gwelo commissioners manyien mag IEBC mondo otaa tije e yo ma huyanga mar miyo Jokenya commissioners mobidhore kendo man kod lony mar tayo yiero ma ratiro. Riwruogego ma en gin Elja, Transparency International, ILOG kod Mzalendo e kind mamoko bende kwayo josiasa mondo omiya putno thuolo mar tayo tijgi maonge donjruok kode e chwalo agenda mag siasa. Komachielo gidwaro ni onywand chenro mag kawo pande kod ombulu kaka yo mar neno ni rowere duto ondikore kaka jogo ombulu e kinde magidhi kawo opande. Chike madhi neno ni yiero mabiro obag e yo mathuolo bende gidwaro mondo opwodhi.
We require it to conduct its work with utmost independence, impartiality, transparency, inclusivity, as well as commitment to all the stages of the recruitment process until its logical conclusion to boost public confidence and thus increase acceptance of the conduct of the relevant processes which will be coming afterwards.
Uchaguzi members call upon Parliament to move with speed to finalize existing electoral legislations. For example, the election campaign finance bill needs to be processed to guide the election campaign finance regulations. Also, there is need for campaign financing regulations in 2027 to curb the use of illicitly gained or unexplained wealth in the campaigns and to curb the use of public resources.
We're also asking that county governments, in collaboration with the National Government Administration, should initiate regular mobile ID registration drives targeting learning institutions and the youth centers. We're also asking that the government should establish integrated service centers combining ID registration and voter registration services at ward levels to reduce the registration timeline.